And yes, today's video we're going to review this thing right here. Yeah, this is Catidol AA Matte Powder Cushion SPF 50 OE Control. So, yeah, then of course, before we going to start, I know you guys are wondering apa itu arti hashtagnya. So, basically, I'm an Asian Beauty Vlogger 2017 contest, ya, dari Catidol itself. So, I choose to review this thing because kayak gue pakai ini sekitar 2-3 minggu, and I do not believe in first impression anymore, karena menurut gue first impression is just isn't enough. Sometimes, you gotta get used to the product, atau enggak, you gotta have a different approach gitu untuk tahu produknya itu best works buat apa dan buat apa, something like that, okay? And of course, the review is gonna be 100% honest from my opinion, okay? The contest will not change any form of thoughts of what I think about these products. First, let me give you guys kayak a view of what is Catidol. So basically, Catidol itu is a cosmetic and skincare brand. It is manufactured dan dibuat di Korea. However, they are repackaging dan head office-nya itu di Thailand. That is why kalau misalnya kalian mungkin lihat di internet atau enggak in the counter, bahasa dari packagingnya itu bahasa Thailand. It is because emang mereka head office-nya di Thailand. Coba mungkin kalian lihat si Mario itu. I'm not sure, is he like famous or something? Well, I mean like he's cute and whatever. But yeah, although it is based in Thailand, however, they also claim themselves as a Korean cosmetic brand gitu, and skincare too. Jadi we're just gonna call this a Korean product. With that being said, of course, berarti barang-barang yang mereka jual itu mengikuti pasaran beauty di Korea, something like that. So this is a powder. Okay, so this is a powder cushion. However, they come in a liquid foam, but they call it powder. Okay, yeah. Why do you call it powder when it comes in liquid form gitu loh? I just don't get that correlation. So this is how the packaging looks like, pinkish, dan juga I think this is Tosca. Please mind me, I'm colorblind. I mean like gak kayak doggy colorblind, but yeah. But this is, I think it's Tosca, dan this is fuchsia or pink. Then it comes in 15 gram atau enggak 15 mili, like usual powder juga 15 gram. When you open it has a mirror like a real mirror. So the thing about it adalah karena I also tried their Pikachu kayak Pokemon series cushions. It's still the AA cushion, but it's just that they come in Pikachu packaging gitu loh. And in that Pikachu packaging, kayaknya tuh kacanya itu is more like plastic gitu. It's not like real mirror. However, ini real mirror, so you can really use it gitu kan. And of course, they come with the sponge, with its own sponge. And I gotta say that I do not really like the sponge karena for me, as you guys can see, the sponge edges-nya itu terlalu sharp for me, dan it is too small. At least for me ya. For me the sponge is too small. Jadi menurut gue dia agak ngebuat susah ngeblend, dan every time I blend out this product pakai sponge ini itu kayak ninggalin kayak sedikit jiplakan dari ujung-ujung si sponge-nya. So I tried it for the first time, I didn't like it, and I never use it again, okay? And of course, ada slider pemisah dari sponge dan the cushion itself, very sanitary. As you can see, this is the sponge that hold the powder or the liquid or the product. And I got my shade in honey beige. Okay, and I'm just gonna swatch this for you guys. You guys can see right there. Dan ini harganya 330.000 gitu. The last time I saw it itu kayak ada diskon di website-nya. I think sekarang kayak 280, 230, I'm not sure. Catidol ngebuat 6 shade for this AA cushion. However, Indonesia cuma ada dijual 5 shade doang. Cuma shade yang nomor 25 itu yang nggak ada. This is the darkest shade they have. I know a shade, but then again, yeah, a step up, at least a step up, karena I never thought that Korean product itu bakal ada yang match my skin, karena usually kalau misalnya gue lihat di advertising or whatsoever, none of the models are like my skin. So yeah, it's a good thing at least they're improving something ya. We're gonna move on to the claim, apa yang mereka claim, apa yang mereka persembahkan dari produk ini untuk kita. Okay, so kalau misalkan penasaran AA itu artinya apa? AA itu basically means auto aura. Jadi auto aura itu dia gunanya untuk mencerahkan kulit kalian biar muka kalian itu nggak kelihatan lesu, nggak kelihatan capek. Jadi dia ngebuat muka kalian bright, cerah, bersinar. Not whitening. They didn't say any whitening kind of thing at all, but yeah, it's auto aura. Dan the AA also stands for anti-acne. Jadi di discussion kayak ada beberapa ingredient yang bakal membantu kalian untuk kalian mungkin kulitnya berjerawat dan berminyak, something like that. Okay, so yeah, because you guys heard me right, it is a matte cushion, powder matte cushion. So basically this is not for kalian yang kulitnya kering. Ya, bahan skincare yang ada di produk ini adalah tea tree oil, juga ada kayak rempah-rempah Korea, dan juga titanium dioxide. Jadi, those three things adalah yang membantu kalian untuk mengurangi atau enggak mencegah inflamasi jerawat, dan juga mengurangi produksi minyak di muka kalian. And they have a lot of claim, okay? They have a lot of claim for this thing, like a lot, okay? And I'll just show you guys a picture right there, okay? So it's like that, a lot of claim. Dan but they really focus buat kalian yang kulitnya berminyak, karena mereka bilang bisa menahan oil sampai 6 jam, dan juga mereka bilang it is bisa nge-cover dark spot gitu loh, which what we'll see because you know your girl right here. Okay, you guys know me. Okay, so yeah, they also claim that they can cover up dark spots sambil menyembuhkannya. That's what they said. Okay, that is a strong ace claim. I'm just gonna say that. Okay, and of course it has SPF 15, jadi dia ngebantu untuk kalian mencegah sun damage for your face, which is nice. However, that would mean kalau misalnya ini lebih cocok kalau misalnya kalian pakai untuk kayak daily, untuk atau enggak hari siang gitu loh. Karena kalau misalnya malam-malam dan kalian di tempat gelap dan kalian harus pakai bleach gitu, it will like give you guys some flashback and that is not cute at all. I think you guys actually udah understand what is this product, apa klaim-klaimnya, and we're going to move on of what I actually think about this product. Like I told you guys, gue udah pakai this product kayak sekitar 3-2 minggu gitu. Masih kenapa dari 3 ke 2, but 2-3 minggu gitu. Dan I can pretty much tahu apa yang gue pikirkan tentang this product, okay? And because this product is liquid form to powder, that means kalian nggak perlu set lagi karena dia pasti bakal ngeset itself. Dan as you guys can see di sini gue cuma pakai bronzer dan pakai highlight, literally nggak ada powder untuk ngeset atau nggak pakai concealer tambahan apapun, cuma bronzer and highlight, only that, okay? And as you guys can see, I already ini sama sekali nggak pakai bedak, and I touch my face dan sama sekali kayak nggak ada bekas foundationnya. So it's like it sets itself, which is nice, okay? Berarti kalian nggak perlu tambah layer, something like that. Jadi muka kalian tuh rasanya lebih ringan. Dan untuk coverage itself, I would say it's like light to medium coverage, okay? You can build that up to full coverage. However, in the full capacity with 2 layers, you guys can still see a little bit of spots, at least from me, because I do have higher pigmentation karena bekas jerawat gue itu banyak banget dan emang merah banget. I still can see a bit, okay? But yeah, at least it really kayak covers up the whole face. Dan kalau misalnya kalian tambah-tambahin lagi, your face will change its colors karena I realize kalau misalnya gue cuma pakai 1 layer doang, it will perfectly match to my body, but then again as I add up, kayak dia tuh mulai berubah warna. It's like I'm wearing a mask gitu loh. It doesn't look natural anymore, but with 1 layer it looks natural. However, it cannot cover the whole face, something like that. So I would say yeah, it's more like light to medium coverage, but it's also beatable to full coverage. So it's something like that. But once you go to full coverage, your face will look like a mask and it feels tight. Kerasa banget mulai kalau misalnya kalian itu udah mulai go full coverage. Kalau misalnya kalian cuma pakai 1 layer, literally so ringan. But then again, kalau misalnya kalian tambah layernya, it feels tight gitu loh. Mungkin I think that is because of the tea tree oil dan juga kayak ada skincare yang meresap dan membataskan produksi minyak kalian. I think that's what makes it tight. Then again, for me, I usually kayak spot conceal gitu my acne kan. Jadi it's okay for me kalau misalnya emang nggak full coverage banget gitu. But for the purpose of this video, I go full coverage and that's at least the result that I can tell you guys. Maksudnya kayak hasil finalnya si this thing, atau enggak muka gue udah nggak bakal tahu lagi berapa inci kalau misalnya harus gue tambah-tambahin sampai bener-bener nggak kelihatan sama sekali gitu. So if you guys know, you guys understand what I'm saying, okay? So basically yeah, that is the maximum I can at least show you guys right now, okay? So yeah, with that medium coverage, gue tuh biasanya pakai this thing untuk kayak cuman daily routine kalau misalnya gue mau ngajar anak murid gue atau nggak pengen pergi ke gym or do grocery shopping, something like that. Because for me it is medium coverage, tapi dia itu bisa mentutupkan bagian bawah mata gue, jadi gue tuh nggak kelihatan lesu dan at least kayak there's some life from my eye gitu, karena your eyes is like the window to your soul gitu loh. Jadi mata lo itu nggak kelihatan lesu dan nggak kelihatan capek. And of course di bagian sini juga kan, di bagian bibir gue sini banyak banget kayak kemerah-merahan, it's perfect for that. So yeah, I love this thing untuk kayak daily no makeup routine. And what I would do adalah biasanya gue cuma ambil pakai jari gue aja, terus gue dab di bawah under eye area, di bagian bawah hidung sini dan bagian sini. And I told you guys kalau misalnya gue nggak suka sama sponge-nya, so I end up using this beauty blender, ya beauty sponge, untuk this look yang you guys are seeing right now. And with that, I would say that 15 gram itu very little untuk liquid kind of type gitu, liquid kind of form. Karena biasanya kalau misalnya lo pakai bedak dan bedak itu cuma 15 gram doang, bedak itu nggak bakal cepat habis secepat lo habisin lo foundation gitu, because it is liquid, especially with this product yang mereka bisa ngaku kalau misalnya bisa cover up acne, tapi kalau misalnya lo pengen cover up your acne, you gotta use a lot. So yeah, it's a very little product untuk harga 330.000. However, understand kenapa harganya mahal, karena emang the packaging is really nice. At least for me, it's in compact like this. Dan karena kalian nggak bedakin muka kalian, you guys can always touch up again with this thing, okay? But then again, I do think the puff is useless. So and I'm also not the type yang suka touch up gitu. I do think it is a bit pricey untuk 15 gram of liquid product itu, especially kalau misalnya emang kalian yang pengen mencari suatu produk yang kelihatannya natural dan bagus gitu, dan gak kelihatan oily atau gak kelihatan terlalu matte. Because I do think the quality is really nice. However, dia dikit banget isinya, dan for mungkin buat kalian yang suka compact kind of packaging, it will be worth it at least, but not for me, because gue bukan tipe orang yang suka touch up juga, dan gue bukan tipe orang yang apa sih, suka I cannot really do my face in this small mirror. I need a bigger mirror, something like that. So the packaging is not really for me, however the quality is amazing. Karena menurut gue dia itu sweat proof dan dia tahan lama, and the finishing it looks very natural. You don't really have to set it with powder untuk kayak achieve biar dia bisa tahan lama, karena emang dia finishingnya itu ke matte gitu. Oke, so iya, jadi kalian nggak perlu nambah-nambahin layer, kalian nggak perlu berasa muka kalian tebel banget like a fucking mask. Oke, so that's the review of the product. I told you guys what I like and what I don't like about the product, and do I recommend this? Hell yes. And the reason for that adalah karena I love the finishing, dan dia itu natural banget finishingnya, jadi it looks like kalian tuh your skin but better as long as you know coverage, maksudnya berapa layer yang kalian pakai. Oke, and also sets to matte, jadi kalian nggak perlu pakai powder lagi. It is, they called it powder, but I'm just gonna call this foundation karena emang dia comes in liquid form. Yeah, you guys don't need powder anymore to set it, karena it set itself. So basically, saat kalian apply itu liquid, tapi entah hasilnya powder. Betul, it is set, di Indonesia ada 5 shade. However, kalau misalnya kalian bisa dapat shade kalian, I really suggest you guys to try, karena it is very good buat normal skin dan juga normal to oily atau nggak really oily skin gitu. Extremely dry skin, no. Mungkin kombinasi ya, I can still see kombinasi untuk bisa pakai. However, like it also has kayak anti-acne kind of thing. I cannot really speak much for the skincare aspect of this product, karena of course with skincare kalian tuh butuh waktu untuk tahu apakah itu berfungsi apa kalian, dan it comes with makeup, so it's very confusing for me to judge the skincare part of this thing. And in conclusion, I do love this product for my daily kinda no makeup look gitu, karena menurut gue coveragenya enough untuk cover kayak area-area yang penting banget muka gue kalau misalnya gue pengen do my daily routine yang gak glamorous banget gitu loh. So I do love this product and I recommend this buat kalian mungkin masih kuliah atau gak butuh pengen pakai makeup tapi kalian gak mau kelihatan makeup banget. This stuff is perfect, okay? Just make sure untuk moisturize muka kalian dulu karena it is a matte product. Okay, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it, and I hope the review help buat kalian penasaran apa ini produk dan apakah kalian butuh nggak, kalian nggak butuh. Oke, so kalau misalnya kalian suka videonya dan like I said, kalau emang membantu, jangan lupa di like, okay? Click that thumbs up, baby. Okay, and if you like some of my face, my video, personality, don't forget subscribe button. You know what you gotta do, babe. And I'll see you in this video. Bye. Yeah, and yeah, don't wish me luck untuk masuk top 10-nya ya.